guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're a new subscriber, here's Blessed Kitchen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to my page. Thank you very much for always watching my video. I'm here on this page today to do a kind of Thanksgiving. Firstly, thanking God for the last month of the year, which is December, for the Christmas, New Year, and everything. Thanking God for everything the Lord has done. Every community here on YouTube and on Facebook. So grateful to you guys for coming back to watch my videos, because without you guys, who am I making content for? So guys, another update on the channel this year, and it's actually a good way to end this year. Thank you very much for subscribing. And to my views, guys, these views, I'm so amazed at how far we've gone on this channel. It all started in, I think that was 3 weeks ago, and I started seeing this channel. This video I dropped on October 2022. That video was as simple as anything, and I didn't even think that would be my miracle video. And guys, guess what? That was a video that got the least views ever on this channel. I saw it on 900 something. It then was 1,000 views, and now before this video you're watching right now, check that video out. That video has actually gone so viral. I want viewers can't be up to that. Taking our time to watch this little girl, I'm super grateful. I think I celebrated my 300 subscribers a few weeks ago, and then views as well. I celebrated 10,000 views and 300 subscribers, and right now we are on 300 plus, almost 400 subscribers now, and we have about 14,000 plus views on my latest video, the video I posted before this video you're watching right now. So guys, talking about the subscribers, guys, I remember when I was at 10 subscribers, 5 subscribers. That was when my family members and everyone, family, friends, were subscribing to my channel, and I kept dropping this video, although it's very draining and very stressful, but I love doing it because it's my passion. That has been what has been keeping me going, as well as God decided to, open a page where everybody can see my crafts and everything. People can enjoy cooking food. So I never regretted beginning this journey, having you guys watch me do my thing. And then starting from 50 subscribers, that was when I began to rest subscribers. I was like, you know what? Let the subscribers just with one side. It will come naturally. I just sat back doing my thing, uploading videos, doing everything I had to. And it was when I least expect that I had a lot of subscribers. Like, then was the time I started having about 100 subscribers, 150 subscribers, was when I was not even expecting it. Like, busy with other things, because definitely YouTube is not the only thing I'm doing. So I was less, I wasn't concentrating on YouTube as at that time. So I'm super grateful. And I want to use this opportunity to tell you guys that a lot is coming in 2023. So make sure to stay tuned. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, please hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notification so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I drop a new video. I love you guys. Stay tuned to this channel because I have a lot in store for you next year. You're gonna enjoy this channel. So don't touch that down. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. See you guys next year. And probably maybe this year, before the end of this year, I might drop, it's possible I drop a new video before this year runs to an end. If not, next year. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, and don't touch. Bye guys.